Good morning, Bruno. You know what time it is, Bruno. Dad, you gotta go to the gym. So come on, let's go eat. Go outside for a minute. Let you use the restroom. Handle your business. What's good, YouTube? You know who it is. Chris Jones, representing Pump Chasers. All right, so it's morning time. About to go do this cardio and hamstring workout. It's Saturday, just in case you happen to give a fuck. Decided to go ahead and vlog. It has been a while, but keep in mind, guys, I've been pretty busy. And quite frankly, I want to focus on some other things last week. Last week, I wanted to focus on my diet. Had to do some things around the house. Had some new clients. I want to focus on that. Not making any excuses, just letting you know I need to focus on other shit sometimes. But I'm back, and it is time to grind, man. After this week, I plan on stepping my diet up a notch, stepping my cardio up a notch, and I will try to vlog more that week just to give you guys a little more insight. And quite frankly, I think me pushing my body and recording for you guys will honestly push me to stick with it and, give me a little motivation. So I'll be motivating you guys and you'll be motivating me. So let me go ahead and get my shoes on and let's get the fuck up out of here. All right, baby. We're taking care of Bruno, eating better than some humans. Look at this shit. Got food cooked, and girl, I want some of that shit. Got peas up and down. Hold up now. What's really going on? All right, guys. So you already know what time it is. This is like my morning coffee. Sometimes I even have morning coffee with this, depending how tired I am. You know, my sleep schedule. Sometimes I get 5 hours of sleep. Sometimes I get 10. It just depends on how much work I have to do and how much I've gotten done. But Cuts FTS, man. Best fat burner. Best motherfucking fat burner in the game. Go fuck with it. Bam. $30 minimum, motherfucker. All right, guys. So Hector brought her buddy up here to the gym. He's definitely a puncher as a supporter. Look at the bag, man. Definitely a supporter, man. Tell me your name real quick, brother.
Daniel, bro. My name is Daniel.
Been looking out for him in a video real. Once I'm done with this damn dieting shit, I'm gonna start having a train with Chris series, man. People like this guy support me. I'm putting them in vids. All right, take a picture with this guy. Give him my cardio. All right, guys. Had to make a quick Walmart run. Some sugar-free barbecue sauce. A light whipped cream to go with my pudding, ice creams, you know what I mean? Little stuff like this keeps you sane, you feel me? At the end of the day, when cutting, you need stuff that tastes good to keep you going.
Somebody look swole over there.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, look kind of swole.
Keep mine, got lying flat now, no pump. All right, 5 grams of creatine. So, I'm the type of guy, I forget to take my creatine and stuff like that. So, best way to counteract that, just take it first, my first meal. Just get it out the way. 5 grams every day. Now, my pre-workout, pump and grind, does have creatine in it. So fucking what? Hey, that's just extra creatine that day. I don't be like, oh, I took pre-workout today, no creatine today. No, fuck that. Hey, if I take pre-workout and it has creatine in it, oh well. A little extra creatine don't hurt nobody. You just pee it out. Your body can only absorb so much. Whatever it don't use, pee it out. No big fucking deal. So, creatine.
Does it have a taste?
That's the plain shit right there.
Oh, okay.
All right, come over here, guys. Glucosamine for joints, fish oil, biotin, and vitamin D. And there it is, every fucking day, man. Simple shit. Somebody's gonna say some fucking beta cut bitch. Gonna say, where's the steroids, asshole? You lying to the kids. Bitch, I don't need no motherfucking steroids, okay? I am fully capable of building a nice, chiseled Greek guy physique without the use of ROIDS, okay? And to be 100% honest with you guys, I got the money to afford the best drugs, okay? I got the money to afford as much food as I want. And I got a personal chef right here. If I wanted to get fucking big, like a 212 competitor, oh, please believe I fucking could, okay? I got the small joints. I got great. Every muscle is inserted great. I got even tricep. I got great insertions, bicep insertions. Oh, if I wanted to get huge, I fucking could. Small joints, But I don't want to look like that. I want to be no fucking 5'7", 200+ pound motherfucker, looking like a motherfucking Ninja Turtle, frog. I want to be sexy, Greek god, an athletic, super muscular physique like Baki the Grappler or Teen Gohan from Dragon Ball Z. So that's what the fuck I'm going for. My goals, my physique goals are fully achievable, natural, with my genetics. Now, if I want to be like a huge motherfucker, yeah, of course, I'll take whatever. GH, trust me, I can buy all that shit. I can afford it. It's no big fucking deal. I don't want to look like fucking that. I want to be whole ready. That's what we're going for here. Whole ready. Anyway, I'm going to have my first meal. I ain't going to allow them to take me a shower, and I'm going to lay down a little. I'm getting a little lightheaded, man, for real.
Take you a little nap for before you go back to the gym.
I gotta go back to the gym and train quads later. I did hams and calves this morning with some cardio. Gotta go back and knock out them quads and a little bit of glue. I'm trying to get it, baby. I'm trying to get everything looking chisel crispy. All right, guys, so here it is. Meal number one. We got like 10 ounces of thighs, 4 ounces of shrimp, some veggies to the side. You already know I got my sriracha hot sauce and sugar-free barbecue sauce. And this here right here, man, I have to sprinkle this on there too, give it like a little ranch flavor. I'm gonna have this. Go ahead, take a shower, lay down for a little bit and reflect. Gotta train quads and glutes later. Might go cut a rug later on tonight too. But keep in mind, guys, these next 2 weeks I gotta really grind hard, try to bring out more detail in my physique. This is probably going to be my last time going out for a while. So I'm going to really enjoy myself because these next 2 weeks, I'm going to pound the fucking weights, pound these meals, and really see what I can do to this physique in 2 weeks of no distractions.
In the vault so it doesn't turn into a giant monster and destroy the whole planet.
Just a little movie, man. Try to relax a little bit.
Back to Midgard.
All right, homies and homies, as you see, I'm dressed for the gym. Got my Just Grind Tri-Blend hoodie. I really love, I've said this many times, I love my Tri-Blend hoodies from Pump Chasers and from GetHoldReady.com, especially when I'm cutting, especially days like today when I'm really flat and my muscles just don't look that great. It keeps me, man, it honestly keeps me focused. There's no worse feeling than going to the gym and you can't really get a great pump. Your muscles don't look that great. Really plays tricks with your head, makes you feel like you're losing a whole bunch of muscle, makes you want to quit. So staying covered up really keeps me grounded, keeps me focused, man. So anyway, here it is, man. I'm gonna go ahead and do 4 meals today. Here's my next meal, just chicken and veggies. And since I'm about to get ready to go to the gym, go ahead and knock out some carbs. I'm gonna do a whole sleeve 7 rice cakes of white cheddar Quaker. I love this shit, man. And some pink lemonade Crystal Light. But don't get it fucked up, man. I'm still gonna finish all this water right here before I go to bed. I'm gonna go ahead and have this Crystal Light and knock out some more of this water before I go train. And while my food digests, I'm gonna go ahead and do a little Gears of War. Play a couple of games online. Fuck a few people up. You know what I'm saying? Come here, bitch. Fuck! All right, baby, we here. We at Fox Gym. About to train these legs. It's like it's raining, man. Hopefully the rain stops. If not, I'm staying in tonight. I don't really like going out in the rain. All right, homies and homies. Leg workout is halfway done. You know we got 7 bad bitches on the squat machine right here. A lot of people tend to think training legs on low carbs is tough. I'm not gonna lie, it's not easy, but after you do it a few times, it's no big deal, man. You'll probably be able to do all your usual lifts. You just may need a little longer breaks between sets to recover because, you know, you don't got as much glycogen in the muscles and all that good stuff, but you just gotta dig deep and push through. I actually enjoy the suffering a little bit. I enjoy the challenge. So I know once I'm eating good again, these weights are gonna feel like little bitch weight. It's gonna be really easy for me to go heavier. Instead of 7 plates on this, I should be doing about 8 or 9 once I'm bulking again. All right, home sweet home. I'm gonna do 6-ounce chicken, 5-ounce shrimp, baby. All right, homies and homies. So as y'all see, I am now home. Denise is making my plate real quick. So I am about to go cut a rug with the guys. Big Wheels, home. He's in town, man. You know the guys are ready to go out. So I'm gonna go out. This is my last time going out until my cut is finished. I'm gonna use these next couple weeks to really dial it in. On Saturday nights, just sleep in. You know, just really focus. See what I can bring with 100% focus for 2 weeks. And I'm asking you guys, keep in mind, I've never been this lean before. I've never had a reason to. This is very stressful on the mind. There's not a day that goes by I don't think about giving up. So, you know, be sure to hit me on Instagram. You know, check out my stories. You know, send some positivity in the comment sections. I'm going to push through this shit, man. So I'm going to go out, guys. Have a nice night. And then starting Monday after my Sunday fun day, have a nice time. Honestly, this might be my last Sunday fun day as well. Now, some miracle happened. I have glutes after 1 week of going hard. I can have a Sunday fun day, but being realistic, I'm probably going to have to stop the Sunday fun days too and just do refeeds on those days and really try to bring these glutes and hams in, guys. So it's gonna be an intense 2 weeks, man. I'm gonna get some training footage for y'all. Like I said, recording for y'all helps me keep me accountable and helps keep me motivated. And I'm pretty sure it motivates a few people out there. At the very least, I know some people are just curious to see what I'm up to. So it's going to be an interesting couple of weeks, man. And I'm just looking forward to having a nice night tonight, man. So I'm going to go in that closet, pick out a nice little outfit, and have this meal and get ready to get the fuck up out of here. And check it out, guys. Another meal from a lovely Denise. We got some chicken, shrimp, and more veggies. Keep in mind, man, when I do low carb days, I just keep my shit stupid fucking simple. Now, on my high carb days, or my extremely high carb days, or my cheat days, I am very creative. But when it comes to low carb or super low carb days, man, just keep it fucking simple. Why all the extra shit? Just get it done, man. Ain't nothing glamorous about low carb. What the fuck you expect to see? You know, just simple shit. Look at my baby over here, living her best life. All right, homies and homies, almost dressed. All right, yeah, I had to get the gold chain, fitted jeans, you feel me? Belly a little bloated from all the food, but we good. I'm not gonna be shirtless. Comment below what you think about the shoes, man. If you follow me on Instagram, you've already seen these shoes, man. Attention grabbing shoes right here. We gonna go ham tonight, baby. It's the last rug, baby, the last rug. And here we are, nice cutoff shirt. Hey, man, don't talk shit. I do too many look at this, man. You see the brachialis separation? I do too many motherfucking curls to be covering up my shit in the summer. It is summertime, you feel me? I'm letting my shit hang. I might come out with some of these real soon. I like it. I love them so much. I need to come out with a whole bunch of colors, man. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys feel me on that. So, yeah, I'm rocking the sleeveless shirt, fitted jeans. We good, baby. Let's get it. Green for the money. Gold for the honeys. You hear me? Gonna try to have a nice fucking time. All right, man. Look who here, boy. We got TJ and Hector. We waiting for Big Wheel. Big Wheel is real close by. We're gonna go in. They already packed. They stopped letting people in, but no problem. I know people that work here. We're gonna get straight in. They're gonna take good care of us, man. All right. All right, homies and homettes. It's been real. Had a nice time. I decided to leave about 20 minutes early. I'm getting a little hungry. And I got a meal waiting for me, baby. Let's get it. All right, homies and homettes, I'm at the house. Now, this is what I did, guys. I made sure, after my workout, guys, I usually have about 10 ounces of chicken with about 5 ounces of shrimp, right? Well, today I purposely did like 6 ounces of chicken and a little bit of shrimp. That way I can have some food left over for the night, because I know after going to the club, you know, being up late, I tend to get hungry. And when I'm hungry and my macros are already hit, I tend to make stupid choices. So I made some macros left over. I'm going to have this, and then I'm going to have a little dessert. I'm going to have a sugar-free pudding and a sugar-free Jell-O. And I'm going to throw some of this light whipped cream on top. All right? So there it is,
All right,
man.
homies and homies. It is the next morning. Now, remember when I went out, I was all bloated. I couldn't go out like that. I've been working too hard on this cut. We gon' show the weigh in, and then we're gonna show the physique. First thing in the morning, no pump. You know how we do. No cheating. All right? I can definitely show you what a pump look like, but we ain't gonna do that. We're gonna show you that first in the morning. I woke up like this.
Here we go. There we go. 178.2, man. That's what I'm weighing right now. Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
Let her get out of here. Y'all want to see that. How the abs are looking. All right. Arms. Chest. All right. Shoulders looking nice and crispy. All right. I did legs last night. Check me out. We coming along, baby. We getting there. Legs are getting lean, boy. That's funny how my legs come in before anything else. So as you see, going out, not cheating on my diet, coming home to an already cooked meal, saved my ass. Having a little pudding, a little Jell-O, kept me on my grind. One drink didn't hurt nothing. Okay? See, just balance, man. Balance, balance, balance. Now I'm going to have Sunday Funday with Denise. I'm probably going to wake up at about 181, 182 after the Sunday Funday, but that's because my muscles are going to be filled with glycogen, so I won't walk around this bitch looking sucked up and skinny. Believe it or not, even though I look all right, I'm pretty sucked up and skinny right now because I'm flat. This is not me at my best, okay? And then we're going to grind hard for 2 weeks. I'm taking you guys with me. Thank y'all for your support. Don't forget to like my shit. Comment, subscribe. And buy 30 of them bitches, cause my boy Bruno, he over here, man, dreaming about those lovely treats, man. And y'all can help him out, man. And you know the baby, man. The baby gonna need some diapers. Look at this big ass bed. The baby gonna need some diapers. Holla back at your boy.